Yeah, let's see if we can cut that. Oh yeah, let's not throw these boards with the nails. Hey guys, so the Locket company showed up. So yeah, it's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Check these out. This stuff's amazing. As you can see where I got it. eBay. And I tried to get people to buy this so I wouldn't have to. Let me throw the, I don't want to step on these nails. These are going to end right in my foot. So, yeah, I tried to get people to buy this, but there were no takers. It sat on there for, I don't know, I think it was up for a few years. And I finally, but you know, they didn't do the best job of describing it. So I just figured it was, you know, a collection of a few different lockets, but it's actually 6 crates filled with lockets. And all the tooling, all organized, it's the whole company. Yeah. So this is really cool. This was Guyot, the company. And everything's still protected and in little plastic stuff.
Like a
Let's see if we can pull one open.
Maybe not that one.
Yeah, they're stuck together.
Yeah. This one might be easier.
Oh yeah, so this creates a pattern texture. Yeah. There was the company. And so like a lot of times I've been telling you guys, this stuff is out there. I mean, it's really out there. There's tons of, oh, sorry. There's a lot of it out there. The biggest, I mean, it's not, there's no manuals on how to run this equipment, which is kind of an issue. But, oh yeah, we also got a picture frame company too. So look at the size of that. These are big old hubs and dies. It makes silver picture frames. But I'm more into the Lockets because silver picture frames are kind of out. But look at this. Not that Lockets are in style.
Here's a pretty one.
Oh, let me see. Oh, look at that. So you can see it's all hand engraved. That's a master hub. Here's another one. A lot of flowers, stuff like that. But it's the entire company. And the entire company was $15,000, which is, you know, it's a lot of money. But the real cost to produce something like this, like to make all these tools nowadays, I bet you I couldn't get this done for $500,000. And it would take years to make it. Yeah, you guys have probably seen those Lockets. But yeah, the real cost of this stuff would be over $500,000. And there were no takers. Not even the Chinese wanted this stuff, because I know they were marketing it to them. I'm hoping, this is kind of big. There's going to be things that we probably are not going to be producing, like this giant die here.
You can see
That's
it cuts
probably,
out the holes for the hinges,
yeah, this is,
impresses it, and then cuts out the whole stamping.
this is a full automatic. This produces a Locket. It drops a finished Locket off the machine. We're going to probably be focusing on the older stuff that's on these little, these are all screw press dies. These fit in your screw press. If you've wondered why we've gotten into screw presses, this is it. Because I'll show you, we got them all set up the other day. But what they'll do, you set them up and you just work your product through the process until it's completed. So there's some of it that's automatic tooling, which that's honestly beyond my pay grade. But the this stuff here, like this whole box here, is all screw press and kick press tooling. Same with all this. This will be easy to use.
It's really
This
stuck
is
in there.
the kind of stuff that you could even use in in our hydraulic presses. So this is a blanking tool. This cuts out your locket, the body of it. So it looks like a complicated tool, but this is pretty basic, a simple. And this stuff's in really beautiful condition. For some reason, they actually cared about it and didn't let it rust out in the rain, like most tooling seems to happen. Yeah. What do we got here? This is another die set. And it's got a stamping in it to kind of protect it.
Pretty.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, Guyot closed about, it's been a couple years, I think. A bulk of their collection went to Salvador. Oh yeah, look at that. So this is your outer shell of your locket. Isn't that beautiful?
Gosh, the pegs are
so
tight, they're just falling straight.
So yeah, they closed a couple years ago. I don't know if it's possible to run this stuff profitably, but I'm gonna try. We'll make some lockets. They'll probably be in silver.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we'll have to be careful we don't lose the pins.
Yeah.
They'll probably be in silver. But you know, this is like for the price of a used car. I mean, a nice used car. You would be the only person in America producing lockets. I don't think there's anybody left now. They were one of the last. Eli Group might still be making them. I don't know. They used to be the Locket Kings, the biggest locket producers in the world. But I don't know who's left, honestly. Most of it's made in Asia. But the stuff here is really beautiful, and we will be producing some lockets, at least giving it a try. We'll be making locket parts. Maybe what we'll do is we'll make the stampings, and then you guys can assemble the pieces to create your own lockets and mix and match. That was the one thing about this collection. It's really versatile. You can mix and match a whole bunch of different components together to make a variety of lockets. It was really ingenious what they did, because some of them I've seen, they weren't very versatile, but this is really versatile. So that's a form. So this is a press tool. What do we got here? Another shell former. Yeah, so you can imagine what it cost to make all this stuff and the amount of effort that went into producing every single die set here is absolutely astonishing. Yeah, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Because lockets are one of the more complicated things to produce. Yeah, we haven't torn into the, yeah, that's a big block of steel. We haven't torn into this yet. This is the...
Begin the process.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
So this makes picture frames. They threw this in for me. Check this out. So here's what it makes. This is what we got.
That's 1980s.
This is Wallace Silversmith sterling silver frames. Suggested retail, 1991. Yeah, cool. The designs are very old. They've probably been around for over nearly 100 years. They just kept on selling the same thing. We'll just leave it all in there. Yeah, these are... Anyway, we're gonna do a video here in a little bit of stamping rings. And yeah, I'll show you how to use a screw press. Now, the thing about screw presses is they don't, like our hydraulic press kind of comes like a kit. And we sell all the accessories, and you can just kind of, you know, assemble it, and we do things really simply. The screw press is a little more complicated. You kind of gotta need to, you kind of need a machine shop, unfortunately. But we'll show you how it all works. And then you'll understand more about how this type of jewelry was made and why they use certain machines, and why we ended up going with hydraulics. Because screw presses they're fun, but they're, oh, look at that one. It's an Art Nouveau one. Oh, she's pretty. That's great. I saw the sample of that and I was like, oh, gotta have that. That's what sold me on the whole deal, actually. I was like, oh, swirly hair, frilly. Yeah, I'm a sucker for that junk. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll post pictures of it more when we get going, and I'll help you show you guys how to use this stuff. Take it easy.